comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's all fucking in the He talking out his neck, he gon' meet that fucking We gon' kick your dough, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you hit her. Murder, what she broke, saw him in the scope, I'm about to play to the post, he ain't getting no, that nigga died. Lock up at your door, let me in, bitch, I'm gon' need that neck. Fuck you talking folks, stay up on that bitch, don't get pressed. I might take your hoe, give and go, pass it to my left, and that fire toe, lethal weapon, it ripped through your chest.